Wow, what a beautiful sky. It's so beautiful. Not even a cloud in the sky today. Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining the show. Oh yeah, man. I think I could go get a bicycle, pick one out, and go have some fun. We're taking a stroll, just like the Poochies are. Walking the fence. Off they go. All the natural sounds of the internal audio recording of a DJI Osmo Action 4. I had to contact DJI, and we're going back and forth in email, and finally they understand the problem. It just taken 5 days, that's all. I watched the video, 2 things I hate about the DJI Osmo Action 4, and started to show other things. We really didn't get to the point of the video. Talking about something about f-stop and ISO. I don't think that's bad. I don't even know if my camera has f-stop, but it's got a shutter speed so I could take a shot like so. I like the accent. I like the style. It really looks nice. The thing I like about this is the building blocks that sound, so I get a nice audible video. Yeah, I'm heading down. I'm going to see the lights. I'm shooting in 4K, 30 frames per second rather than 24. Ah, yeah. See the trees ahead? Lights are on. I'm moving on. Yeah, I really like this shot. The blossoming, looking up, getting the shot indeed. So we're here at the lights. We're gonna go pull to the side, go have a nice talk. I like my DJI Osmo Action 4, the OA4 that is. I dialed in my settings. Hopefully it's going to be the way I like it. It may just be a little dark, but at least these low light shots, they won't have those jitters when I walk. And then I could simply, come here and switch it off. Turned it off Pro, and I even turned off Rocksteady. Stationary shots, you don't need to have all that on, right? Rocksteady on, cropped a little, so this way you get a little bit wider shot of D-Warp. Well, the only thing I don't like, and people didn't say they liked, the 2 things they hated about the camera, and they weren't even talking about that speaker lens flare. Well, dawn is hit, man, and it's got a lot brighter according to you. And the sun will rise from there. So I might as well turn you around. Give you a little darker scene shot. Not going to be that dark, but are those lights flickering? I said a lot, did a lot, shared a lot, talked a lot. Did my morning walk. It's time for me to put you away and talk for another day. I'm getting on out of here. Going to do the things I like to do, and I got a busy day ahead. So I hope you could come along, see what I share what I show, and catch up many other videos to go. Lights don't go out until they're off the timer. On that note, I'm Fish. Have a great day.